Exercise 6.1. In triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR. Then PM we can say it's 90 degree. So we can write PM is the altitude. PM is the altitude, 90 degree. PD, D is the midpoint. So PD is the median. Is QM equal to MR? No. QM not equal to MR. What is the reason? D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of QR. D is the midpoint of QR, not M. So QM not equal to MR. QD is equal to MR. D is the midpoint. Second question. Draw rough sketches for the following. Second question, first part. In triangle ABC, BE is a median. Triangle ABC. Just draw anyway the triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. BE is a median. From BE, that means midpoint, median to the opposite side of midpoint of the opposite side AC. And that is E. So the line which one we are drawing from B to E to the midpoint of that side, BE, that is the median. Then second figure. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitudes of the triangle. So that is a right angle triangle. PQR. Here PQ and PR are altitudes, which means this 90 degree. This is perpendicular, PR also perpendicular. PQ and PR are perpendiculars, 90 degree in between. So these two are altitudes of this side. From here, this is the perpendicular line. So PQ and PR are altitudes of the triangle. Then third question, third part. In triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. Exterior of the triangle. That means an obtuse angle triangle we have to draw. Obtuse angle. So this angle we can see more than 90 degree. Obtuse angle triangle. Here we can name that as XYZ. Then YL is an altitude. Obtuse angle. Altitude of an obtuse angle that always be outside. Exterior of that angle. This is the obtuse angle. YL. We can name this L. So YL is the altitude of this XYZ. So in triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the angle. In the case of right angle, we will get the altitude inside the side itself. Here, inside the angle, inside the triangle, and in the obtuse angle triangle, that will be exterior. Now third question. Verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be the same. Third question. You can draw a triangle with the isosceles, means two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. PQR. If these two sides are equal, then median to the midpoint of the opposite side. This is the median. You can name that as PS. So, and median and altitude. In the case of isosceles triangle, median and altitude will be the same. So here we can write PS is perpendicular to QR. That means altitude. Again, QS is equal to RS or SR. S is the midpoint. Midpoint of QR. So by drawing a diagram, if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be the same. So isosceles means two sides are equal. In triangle PQR, PQ is equal to PR, and the perpendicular distance to the opposite side, to the midpoint, that is PS. The S is the midpoint, so QS is equal to SR, and PS is the median. Which means PS is the median and altitude. Altitude and median are same in the case of isosceles triangle. Exercise 6.2. First question. Find the value of the unknown exterior angle X in the following diagrams. We know that in a triangle, an exterior angle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angles. This rule we are applying in each case. So first one. The exterior angle, X is the exterior outside angle of the triangle, exterior angle. So X is equal to, an exterior angle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angles. Sum means we have to add of its opposite interior angles. These two are interior angles and its opposite side, opposite angles. So sum of its opposite interior angles. That means 70 degree plus 50 degree, which is equal to 120. So X is equal to 120 degree. Here X is the exterior angle. So an exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles, interior inside opposite angles. So 65 plus 45 is equal to 110. Here X is the exterior angle, that is equal to interior opposite. To this angle, these angles are opposite, interior opposite angles. Sum of interior opposite angles, which is equal to 70 degree. Same way here. X is the interior angle, sum of the interior opposite. 60 plus 60 is equal to 120 degree. Here this angle is the exterior angle. Its opposite interior 50 and 50. So 50 plus 50, 100 degree. Here X is the exterior angle, which is equal to interior opposite angles, that is 30 plus 60 degree is equal to 90 degree. So this is the rule. An exterior angle, in a triangle an exterior angle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angles. Second question. Find the value of the unknown interior angle X in the following figures. We know that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So here we can write X plus 50 is equal to 115. X plus 50 is equal to 115. Sum of the interior opposite angles is equal to an exterior angle. From that, one of the interior angle, that means X, we can find X is equal to 115 minus 50 is equal to 65. So value of X is 65 degree. Here also 100 is an exterior angle, X and 70 are the interior opposite angles. So first we can take this interior sum of the interior opposite angles. That means X plus 70 degree is equal to exterior angle 100. From that X is equal to 100 minus 70 which is equal to 30 degree. Here 125 is the exterior angle. Here x, this sign representing that as 90 degree, perpendicular 90 degree. So x plus 90. X plus 90 degree is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angle 125. From that x is equal to 125 minus 90, which is equal to 35. Here also this is the interior opposite angles. So x plus 60 degree is equal to exterior angle 120. So from that x is equal to 120 minus 60 degree is equal to 60 degree. Here 80 is the exterior angle, x and 30 are the interior opposite angles. So x plus 30 degree is equal to exterior angle 80. From that x is equal to 80 minus 30 is equal to 50. Here 75 is the exterior angle, x and 35 are the interior angles. So x plus 35 is equal to 75, and from that x is equal to 75 degree minus 35, which is equal to 40 degree. So if the exterior angle is given, we can find the interior opposite angles. One of the angle is given. So value of x by using the same property, an exterior angle is of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles.